Hi, I'm Tom Rakow, and this is Treasure. Can you say hi? And we want to tell you about 7 wonderful, beautiful sneezes. You know what a sneeze is, right? And sneezing is not always bad. When a person sneezes, sometimes we think that that person may have a cold, but sometimes a person sneezes because there's dust, or like my wife Beth, she's allergic to cats, so she sneezes. Some people are allergic to certain plants, especially in the fall. Well, sneezes aren't always bad for us. In fact, sneezes help get rid of stuff in our nose that shouldn't be there. And God gave us the ability to sneeze. In fact, do you know that the sneeze travels about 100 miles an hour? Some Major League Baseball pitchers, they wish they could throw the ball at 100 miles an hour. That's what they try to do. Well, sneezes are not always bad. And thank you. Yes, she said gesundheit back up there. Well, you can sneeze in a handkerchief. Some people don't think that's good. I didn't actually sneeze. It's probably better to take one of these and blow your nose and then make sure you throw it in the garbage. But I want to tell you about those wonderful sneezes that took place back in the Old Testament days, in the Bible days. And there was a famous prophet named Elisha. And he could pray, and God would answer his prayer, and all kinds of great miracles took place because he was obedient to God, and God worked through him. Well, Elisha knew this lady and this older man, and they wanted a child. Well, Elisha basically prayed and told them they were going to have a baby, and they ended up having a baby. And time went on, and that baby grew up into a boy, and one day he got very sick, and he died. Well, you know that is a very heart-wrenching thing. So that boy's mom went and traveled quite a distance and found Elisha, and Elisha came and he prayed for that dead boy. Now, when a person dies or an animal dies, unless God does something, they're going to stay dead. Well, Elisha was in that room and he prayed and he asked God to heal that boy, and then do you know what happened? That boy sneezed not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but not even 5 times or 6 times, but 7 times. And then he opened his eyes and he was restored to life. God answers prayer, and sneezes aren't always bad. We need to cover our nose and things like that so we don't spread things to other people. But this was a time when there were 7 wonderful, fabulous, beautiful sneezes that were heard. And it was evidence that that boy was alive again. God answers prayer, and he will help you, and he will help me, and he'll help Treasure. Can you say goodbye, Treasure? Can you? Go ahead, say goodbye. She said goodbye.